Have you ever felt that your mind is so overloaded it seems impossible to concentrate? What if I told you that in just 5 minutes you could transform your focus and start attracting the prosperity you've always desired? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the secret that few share. Lack of concentration isn't the problem, it's a symptom. The real culprit is the mental disorganization that prevents us from acting on what truly matters. Imagine having the ability to block out all distractions, align your mind with your goals, and on top of that, start attracting money and opportunities like a magnet. It sounds like magic, but it's pure strategy. This video will reveal simple, practical techniques that you can apply right now to create this transformation. And the best part, you don't need hours of free time, just determination and a few minutes of your day. Get ready to discover how to combine modern tools with ancient practices to achieve immediate results. Yes, I said immediate, because when you apply the right method, the universe responds quickly. If you're ready to finally take control of your focus and transform your life, you're in the right place. Are you ready to take the first step? Organizing. Your goals is like mapping out the treasure of prosperity. Imagine someone who wants to attract more money and stability, but tries to do everything at once. It's chaos, right? The first key is to list your objectives and ask yourself, what is truly important right now? Maybe it's paying off debt, starting a course, or investing in a project. With clear priorities, you avoid the trap of wasting energy on irrelevant things. Remember, focusing on the essential is the first step toward abundance. By identifying your priorities, visualize the impact each goal can have on your life. A practical example: if your objective is to save money, start by analyzing your expenses and cutting the superfluous. It could be that streaming service you barely use or the daily coffee from the bakery. These small adjustments made with intention create space for bigger opportunities. After all, it's in organization that the law of attraction begins to work in your favor. For those who think organizing goals is complicated, here's a simple tip. Use tools like the SMART method. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to earn more money, say, I want to increase my income by 30% in the next 3 months with a freelance project. Detailing your intentions makes the universe conspire. More precisely, but beware, organizing isn't enough, you need to act. Over-planning without execution is like having a plant without watering it. Once you have your priority list, start with the most urgent task and break it down into small steps. Want to create an emergency fund? Open a savings account and transfer a fixed amount every week, no matter how small. The magic lies in continuous movement, and here's the secret that few reveal. When you organize your goals, something incredible happens. The mental chaos decreases, and you feel in control. It's like making room for prosperity to enter. Speaking of mental clarity, have you ever thought about how planning and focus go hand in hand? Let's explore that now. Planning is like sharpening an axe before chopping wood. It prevents wasting precious energy and time. To achieve prosperity, it's essential to create a clear action plan with sensible steps and realistic deadlines. For example, if you want to save money for a trip, break down the total amount into monthly goals. Celebrate each milestone achieved. This simple act fuels your motivation and keeps your focus on the bigger objective. Mental focus is built through small details like organizing your workspace or setting specific times for important tasks. Have you noticed how even top entrepreneurs stick to a fixed routine? Their secret is simple: eliminating distractions. A practical tip is to use tools like digital calendars or productivity apps. Try Google Calendar to plan your days and watch your goals start to materialize more smoothly. Another powerful strategy is to set aside time at the beginning of the week to plan your priorities. Grab a piece of paper or an app and list the 3 most important things to accomplish. This reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed and helps you concentrate your energy where it matters. For instance, if your goal is to increase your income, plan to dedicate an hour each day to studying investment strategies or searching for freelance gigs. These small but consistent actions attract prosperity. It's important to understand that planning and focusing also involves saying no. It might seem tough, but you need to choose between what truly matters and what just drains your energy. Imagine someone who takes any job offer out of fear of missing out on money. The result? Exhaustion and mediocre outcomes. Prioritizing your energy is an act of self-care and strategic intelligence. Now, think with me, what if you combined these planning techniques with ancient methods that have proven effective, like meditation or controlled breathing? Millennia-old wisdom could be the next ingredient to turn your mental focus into a true fortress. Let's explore that next. Have you ever considered the power of ancient traditions and how they can transform your focus and your life? Practices like meditation, controlled breathing, and yoga aren't just fads. They carry millennia of wisdom. Imagine starting your day with 5 minutes of deep breathing, concentrating on the prosperity you want to attract. This simple habit can calm your mind and bring clarity, as if you've wiped a foggy mirror clean. Meditation, for example, is an extraordinary tool for connecting mind and body. It doesn't require extensive preparation, just a quiet place and a few minutes. How about trying mindfulness meditation? Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and visualize your goals, like earning more money or achieving the stability you deserve. This practice activates the law of attraction and aligns your intentions with your actions. Yoga is another powerful ally. More than just stretching your body, it teaches discipline and emotional control. A simple exercise is the mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall, align your spine, and breathe deeply. As you practice, think about your goals and the positive energy you're cultivating. This physical and mental connection strengthens your determination, helping you face daily challenges with balance. And don't underestimate the power of controlled breathing. In moments of stress, try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for a count of 4, hold your breath for 7, and exhale slowly for 8. Besides calming you down, it helps regain focus. Imagine being in the middle of a hectic day, and instead of getting lost in the chaos, using this method to refocus. It's like a strategic pause to realign your mind with your prosperity goals. These practices aren't magical solutions, but they open doors to a state of balance and clarity. And when you maintain consistency, the results multiply. Speaking of which, consistency is exactly what makes these practices so effective. Let's delve deeper into that now. Consistency is the secret that separates dreamers from achievers. Imagine planting a seed and giving up watering it because the result didn't show up on the first day. Success and prosperity work the same way. Small daily actions, like dedicating 15 minutes to learning something new or saving a symbolic amount, accumulate powerful results. Don't underestimate the power of regularity. It's the foundation of the law of attraction. Being consistent, however, isn't just about doing. It's about believing. Believe that every effort counts, even when no one is watching. Think of an athlete. They train for months, sometimes years, to compete for moments of glory. In your case, it might be working on a project, investing in knowledge, or simply maintaining financial discipline. Consistency shapes not only your actions, but also your mindset and what to do when discouragement hits. Find daily motivation. It could be an inspiring quote, a vision board, or even an upbeat playlist. For example, imagine starting your day by listening to a song that reminds you of your prosperity goal. Small rituals help strengthen your determination and keep you on track, even when things get tough. Moreover, consistency acts like armor against external opinions. There will always be people doubting or questioning your choices, but remember, you're the only one responsible for your results. By repeating positive actions aligned with your goals, you build unshakable confidence. After all, as they say, success is silent, failure makes noise. Now consider the impact of recording your goals and progress on paper. Writing not only reinforces clarity, but also keeps consistency alive. Let's understand this better in the next point. Writing is a powerful act that turns ideas into reality. When you put your goals on paper, something magical happens. They stop being just thoughts and become commitments. Imagine jotting down, "I will attract prosperity by saving $500 a month." This simple practice creates a sense of responsibility and reinforces your connection to your goals. Writing is more than just recording. It's declaring to the universe what you want to achieve. But it's not just about financial goals. Writing can be used to organize your routine, plan concrete steps, or even vent feelings. Try starting your day with a journal. Write about your objectives, fears, or learnings. This clears your mind and creates mental space for focus. A practical example? List 3 things you're grateful for and 3 actions that bring you closer to prosperity. The impact is transformative. Additionally, writing helps maintain consistency. By reviewing what you've recorded, you notice progress and gain energy to keep going. A simple notebook or even a notes app can be your ally. Have you thought about using tools like Notion or Evernote to structure your ideas? These platforms make the process dynamic and accessible, no matter where you are. And the best part is, when you write, you find solutions to challenges that once seemed impossible. It's as if the words on paper reveal paths your mind hadn't yet seen. For example, when detailing an investment goal, you might identify where to cut expenses or how to diversify your income. This clarity is a true shortcut to prosperity. Writing isn't the end, but the beginning of a cycle of action and learning. By mastering this practice, you'll find that focus and concentration become second nature. And speaking of focus, are you ready to discover how to use all this to transform your life in minutes? Let's explore that in the next step. Now that you know these strategies, the big question is, are you willing to apply them and change your life? Because the truth is, knowledge without action leads nowhere. How about starting right now? Grab a piece of paper, write down your goals, plan your next steps, and set aside 5 minutes a day to align your mind. Imagine what it would be like to live with more focus, attract prosperity, and achieve everything you've always wanted. So what's stopping you from taking action? Fear of failure? Lack of time? Know that these obstacles only have the power you give them. The only thing between you and your goals is the decision to start. So why not take that step today? Don't stand still while others are achieving what could be yours. If you want different results, you need different actions. Leave a comment below telling us which technique you're going to implement first. We want to hear about your experience and help you move forward even more. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any valuable content like this. Let's unlock the focus and prosperity you deserve together.